You know what's powerful? Your iPhone can do your busy work for you. I'm talking about iOS 26.1 shortcuts and productivity features that literally save you hours every week. Let's dive in. If you're still manually doing repetitive tasks on your iPhone, you're working way too hard. iOS 26.1 has game-changing automation features that most people don't even know exist. I'm going to show you 5 shortcuts that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. First up, vocal shortcuts. Instead of tapping through menus, just say study mode to Siri and boom, your phone opens your Notes app, starts focus mode, and plays lo-fi music. You create custom voice commands for literally anything. Here's a pro tip. Use focus mode automations. When you activate Work Focus, it can auto-open your calendar, limit notifications, and even play productivity music. No more distractions stealing your attention. Next, schedule your text messages. Got a birthday at midnight? Write the message now, schedule it for later. iOS 26.1 lets you set delivery times so you never forget important messages. The Notes app is insane now. It has real-time audio transcription, record meetings, and your iPhone transcribes everything instantly. You can search your voice notes by keyword. Plus, Math Notes solves equations as you type them. Just write the problem, get the answer. Last one, Safari highlights. When you visit a restaurant's website, Safari automatically pulls up the map, directions, and contact info. No more hunting for phone numbers. These 5 shortcuts, vocal commands, focus automations, scheduled messages, smart notes, and Safari highlights will transform how you use your iPhone. Try even one of these today, and you'll feel the difference. Visit dmpgh.com for more tips and guides.